Hi friends, this is Nagraj and this is the first video which I am coming live on this page. Okay, so today I am going to tell you why you should not butty the answers. So if you butty the answer, there is lot of energy waste because you should repeat the answer n number of times and hence there will be lot of time waste and the pressure on your brain will be increasing because every time you will feel that I have to remember this answer, I have to remember this answer like this. And you will only get marks, you will not get knowledge, because if the answer is wrong also, even in the textbook or in the guide, you will write it because you don't know what it really means. So if you understand the answer, there is lot of time saving, energy saving, and you will get knowledge, hence marks and a good job. Don't think that why I should think about job here itself. So if you learn 8th, if you score good in 9th, then you can score in 10th, in inter, in degree. Hence you will get a good job. If you left here, you will ignore in 10th, inter. Oh, it will become a big problem if you don't understand just buttify. If you become it will become a big problem in your higher studies. Until 10th, it will be enough good because the answers are small and उतना असर नहीं पड़ेगा. Okay, but in the higher level the topics are very deep. Okay, that's why try to understand what it is. Don't buttify just like that. वीडियो छोटा सा है, पहले देखिए. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में यूट्यूब का लिंक डाल दिया, उसको जाके सब्सक्राइब करिए. I will firstly teach definitions of physics properly, because I think that if you understand the definition, you will understand the concept. So that's where the root cause is. Let's start. So how can you understand the topic? Let's say for example, what is density? Density is nothing but mass per unit volume. That means what is mass? Quantity of matter contained in a body. Okay, so let's think that the matter is people. So and the mass per unit volume, here volume we can consider anything like centimeter, meter, anything. So here I am considering kilometer. So for 1 kilometer there are 10 people. So people here is the matter, that is mass, and the volume is kilometer. So if you understand like this, you don't need to buttify every time mass per unit volume like this. Okay, so this is just definition. Then how do you understand concepts? If you are not familiar with English language, just translate the answer in your native language. It may be Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, it may be anything, but don't just change the terminology. Please remain this terminology same. That means frequency, mass, density. Just leave this terminology as it is, but change your native language like 1 किलोमीटर में 10 जने हैं, ऐसा चेंज करिए आंसर को. So once you think that you got the answer, that means once you thought that you understand the answer, write it down it for 2 to 3 times for every 10 minutes. After writing it, just see what's the answer present in your textbook or your guide or notes and see your 3 answers. If the sentences are different but still the meaning is same, if the sentences are different but still the meaning is same, then you got the answer. Tell this answer to your buddies, that means your friends, or if no one is there, just tell it yourself. What is it? So you have to understand it in real time. Okay, so like this you can understand the answer, you can get the knowledge, after that you will get marks and hence you will get a good job. Okay, don't buttify the answer ever. Thank you.